It's what happens when the millionth seed is sown. When that first bit of green breaks through. When the flowers blossom and the first fruits set. When the bricks are high.
It's time.
When the workers get the green light and the harvest begins. It happens at the end of the rows and at the beginning of lunch. When we get what we worked so hard for. And when our melons come to market sorted by sweetness, it happens
very good sugar for Japan.
a lot.
Perfect.
When customers learn they can count on us for consistent quality. When we give them a say in what we do in our fields. That sound, it's not just a sound. It's what happens when you expect more and get it. It's the sound of MAS.